In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where FiveM is not opening or launching. I also faced this problem, and the solution is very simple. When you try to launch FiveM and nothing happens, the first step is to close all Rockstar-related processes. Open Task Manager and end every Rockstar or GTA-related task, even if FiveM itself appears stuck in the background. Next, press the Windows key and type Run, then open it. In the Run window, type %appdata% and press Enter. From there, go to the local folder and find the Rockstar Games directory. Inside it, you'll see your GTA 5 folder and the launcher files. You can optionally copy the GTA 5 folder to your desktop as a backup, but it's not required. Now locate the launcher file and rename it properly. For example, correct it to the proper GTA 5 launcher name instead of the broken or incorrect one. After that, close everything and start FiveM again. It should now launch normally. That's it. If this helped you, leave a like and let me know in the comments whether it worked for you or not.